how to connect Telegram wallet to Tapswap. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can connect Telegram wallet to Tapswap. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the Tapswap by using Telegram app on your mobile and make sure the Telegram app is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. Over here, you have to tap on X2 option. Then tap on Connect Wallet. Then tap on Open Wallet in Telegram. Now tap on Backup via email. Then you have to just add your email over here. After that, it will ask you to enter the verification code that you have received on the provided email. Now tap on View Turn Space. After that, just tap on Connect Wallet and your wallet will be connected. So that's how you can connect Telegram wallet to Tapswap. That's all for this video.